Bear. This is a spoon. And I'm going to put food on it. This is rice cereal with some breast milk. And you go in your mouth. Yeah. It's going to be a little hard to figure out. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Want a little more? Yes. Yes, please.
Will you turn them a little bit more to the side? Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Oh, more, please. Oh, yeah, that's... Yes. Now, yes, please. Can you get it? You can just kind of suck it off. Huh? There. Can you swallow? Swallowing's a bit of a trick. Want to try swallowing? Here, let's even try this. Want to suck it off, finger? Oh, this is a very messy endeavor. Yeah, I understand why people put the rice milk in the bottle. Yeah. Okay, I'd like my finger back. And would you like to try spooning it? Spoon. There we go. Different kind of thing, huh? Different thing. More, please, Mama. Yum. 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 Yeah, how's that spoon work? Do you suck on the spoon or do you... I'm losing battle by wiping them off. Goes in the mouth. Yes, goes in the mouth. Can I just have the bowl? I would like to just have the bowl. Okay, okay, patience. I have no patience, I'm a baby. It's hard to figure out how to work the spoon, huh? Hey, Bear. Bear. Aaron. Nope, playing now. What's going on, sweetie? Hey, Bear.